Hey guys, I'm Yuhan from China. This is my first English tutorial, so I have a little nervous, and please excuse me if my English pronunciation is not so good. As you know, me and Manto developed a nice script called car rappers together, and it's been released a few days ago. You can find it in the FileMo's website. I will put the address under the video. After we released this script, many people asked me and Manto how to do it, so I decided to record this English tutorial to help the modder add the weapon on your own car. Okay then, let's start. First of all, we open the Model 3 and let's open the car which we want to add weapons. Press lever 0, we show the car. This is my first car and I've already added the weapons. The new version 1.1 has been released yesterday. So today I'm gonna use this car to teach you guys how to add weapons. First, of course, we have to separate the weapons from the car. Let's find the weapons in which part. Okay, it seems the weapons belong to the chassis. Let's isolate it. These two we have to separate. Now let's press polygon, enter the polygon edit model, and we choose select tool, control and right mouse click to unselect all meshes. Now we choose element, select tool, zoom in, move the mouse to it, right click to select the part. Okay, we selected one part, but we have to select all parts of the weapons. Okay, go to uncheck the solid part. Let's check if we select right or not. Okay, it seems we select all the parts we wanted. Now let's show the solid again. Then uncheck the isolate model. Go to modifier, choose detach tool, move the mouse, click it, left click, and here we got another chassis. Let's isolate it again. Okay, good. We got the weapons. Again, go to the polygon edit model. Press Ctrl and use the right button on the mouse. Unselect this part. This is the left weapon. Now again, we use the detach tool to separate the right wipe. Now we got two parts named chassis. Let's rename it as left wiper and right wiper. Now we click Doom Helper, click twice, and we got two doomers. Same as last step, rename it as door Hedge L and door Hedge R. Now we got two wipers model and two doomers named door Hedge. Next step is we adjust the axis for our wipers. Let's go to display section and use reset to parent tool to reset the axis for our wipers, and use center local axis to center the axis for our wipers. Now we use move tool and make sure you select this move axis only, and we go to top view. Use your mouse left click and move the axis to the right position. Now we go to the left view, adjust the axis, and go to the front to check the position is right or not. Since the position is okay, next step is we adjust the angle of the axis. First, we close the pivot button and go to here, choose local. Now we can see the x-axis is very long. It means we are choosing the x-axis. Now we use the rotate tool. And make sure you choose rotate axis only. Close this one because we don't want to rotate our model. Then we left click on our wipers, enter the sixth degree for the rotated angle. You can see the axis has been rotated. Same step for our right wiper. Click it and we choose 51 degree. The axis also rotated. Okay, until now we move the position of axis for our weapon and related the angle of axis for our weapons too. It is very close to finish. Okay, let's continue our work. Now the next step is copy the axis to the dimmers. Go to display section, use copy tool, close the right door hedge, move the mouse to it, left click it, and copy the axis to left door hedge. Then copy the right to the right door hedge. Now we need to set the properties for our door hedge dimmers. We choose the left door hedge, isolated, click properties panel. We choose Z, we choose cylinder, uncheck the solid, and mark this as 0.3 so we can clearly see the axis, and we want the rotate happen on the Z axis, so we choose the Z axis. Double click the user define option and we add several data. First is flex, we type E value. Second is load Z. We choose this one. Load Y. This is 0, 0. And load X 0, 0. Okay, then click apply. Now we finish one door hedge doom. Same step for the right hedge. We isolated it, go to the properties panel, change shape to cylinder, unmark the solid, choose Z axis and change the number to 0.3. Double click the user define option. Now we enter the data. Flex value is E. Oh, sorry. And load Z. Load Y. Load X. Okay, click apply. Okay, good. Now two door heads have been set. Next step is comment to compound. We close the level 0, choose one door hedge, comment to compound, choose another one, click comment to compound. Now we click the lock icon, click the level 0. Now remember we choose the right door hedge and we put the right wiper into it. Unlock and we choose left door hedge, lock, and put the left wipe into it. Okay, good. Now our wipers have been finished. But wait, remember our door hedge need collision fire, otherwise it won't relate in the game. So where we can find the collision fire? The simple way is we copy the collision fire from the original game model. Now let's import one original car, and expand it, and pick one collision fire from the original car. We choose the left wing. Okay, this can delete it. We don't need it anymore. Click the core button. Now we have the collision fire. Rename it as door hedge L core, and use the copy tool to copy the X's from the left to right. Okay, now we need to adjust the shape of this collision model. Go to the vertex edit model, click it, and go to the left view. We adjust the shape. Use the move tool. Uncheck the move axis only, and make sure you are in the screen model. Oops. Okay, done. We adjusted the shape of collision fire, and because it is not the important thing in our tutorial, so I speed up a little. Now we have the collision fire for the left door hedge. What about the right door hedge? I believe you already figured out. That's right. We use copy tool. We hide the left door hedge for a while and click copy. Okay, we got another door hedge left. Rename it as door hedge R and hide this one. And again, we use the copy tool, but this time change a little bit thing. Uncheck this keep object. You will see. Okay, good. Very smart. The right door hedge collision fire automatically move to the right position. Then we go to the top view, enter the vertex and edit model. Change it a little bit, make it more suitable for the right door hedge. Okay, it's done. Now we need to put the collision fire under each door hedge. Use the left mouse. Okay, done. Until now, guys, congratulations. You have successfully made 2 weapons for your own car. Now we have to put these 2 weapons into our car. It is very simple. Just choose both of them and move it. Oops, sorry, put the wrong position. Move it under the chassis. We close the core level. Check it. Good. It seems nothing happened, but actually we got 2 weapons, right? And before we export our car, you have to remember, need to do one more thing. For the left door hedge, we have to adjust the angle, because if we don't adjust the angle, then in the game, this left door hedge will reverse the direction of roulette. Now we move out the door hedge and isolate it and click local and choose Y axis. Make sure you close the pivot and use the roulette tool and make sure you close the first one. Now we click this, type 180. Okay, the direction has been changed. Now we need to copy the new axis to our door hedge L collision fire. We isolated it and click it, choose this one, choose the collision fire and copy the access to it. Okay, done. Now again we put back the collision fire under the door hedge L. And the next step is change the angle of this left door hedge. We continue use the roulette tool. This time we choose the first one and we choose the access because we want to raise up this left door hedge. We type 71, the same degree as we want the wipers rotate. Don't forget the collision fire. Same 71 degree. Okay. Now we finished. Close the isolated and put back the collision fire under the door hatch L and close the core lever. Okay, it's done. You have to make sure the status of these two door hatch like this. Right one is in the horizontal way and the left wipe in the vertical direction. Although it seems strange, it's not same as we seen in the real life, but it will success when you put your car in the game. And then we click export, then we finish. To save the time, I will not show the result in this video, but these are the steps to create a web on your car. Thank you guys for watching my first English tutorial. If you have any question on create webs, you can leave comment under the video or go to the text tutorial page on the 5 modes. Reply that topic. I will try my best to explain to you. Also, you can go to the script page, ask a mentor for some questions if you have. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.